Welcome back to Science Decoder, where we peel back the layers of history, myth, and science to uncover the truths that hide in plain sight. I'm your host, and today we are standing in the golden sands of Egypt, staring up at one of the most iconic, enduring, and mysterious wonders of the ancient world, the Great Pyramids of Giza. So take a deep breath, close your eyes for a moment, and imagine the desert wind brushing against your skin, the blazing sun overhead, and in front of you, a monument that has stood for over 4,500 years, silently watching civilizations rise and fall. Standing at the base of the Great Pyramid is humbling. You feel small, not just in size, but in time. Each limestone block, weathered yet unyielding, is a piece of a puzzle we still haven't solved. Scientists, archaeologists, and dreamers have spent centuries asking, how did they do it? And maybe more importantly, why? The known facts blended with wonder. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, the largest of the three at Giza, once gleamed with polished white limestone casing stones that reflected the sunlight so brightly it was called Ikhet, the glorious light. Today, much of that outer skin is gone, but its core remains, a perfect alignment with the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west, accurate to a fraction of a degree. Here's the kicker. This feat was achieved without GPS, without cranes, without modern tools. And yet, some measurements in the Great Pyramid are so precise that even today's engineers raise their eyebrows. Mythical side story: the curse of the pharaohs. While this curse is more often associated with Tutankhamun's tomb, stories of magical protection and divine punishment swirled around the pyramids too. The legend says that those who disturb the sacred resting places of the pharaohs will suffer misfortune or worse. In the late 19th century, a team of explorers reported strange illnesses after visiting Giza. Was it ancient microbes or something far more mysterious? Science might tell us it's spores and bacteria, but the romantic in us still shivers at the thought of it. Ancient technology theories. Now here is where it gets fascinating. The mainstream archaeological view is that tens of thousands of workers, not slaves as often misrepresented, built the pyramids over decades using ramps, sledges, and copper tools. But there's another layer. Some researchers point to acoustic properties in the king's chamber, the use of granite with high quartz content, and possible resonance effects. Could the pyramid have been more than just a tomb? A massive energy device, a cosmic marker? While mainstream science hesitates to leap into these theories, experiments like those conducted by engineer Christopher Dunn suggest that certain internal layouts could amplify sound or vibration. A curious coincidence, or maybe not. Scientific experiment story: the pyramid effect. In the 20th century, scientists both in the Soviet Union and Czechoslovakia began testing what they called the pyramid effect. They built small-scale pyramids and claimed that food stayed fresher inside them, razor blades stayed sharper longer, and plants grew faster. Was it pseudoscience? Maybe, but these experiments, whether flawed or not, reignited a global fascination. Could the geometry itself hold some hidden property? The pyramid shape, after all, pops up in ancient cultures all over the world, from Mesoamerica to Cambodia. Coincidence or a shared ancient knowledge? Side story: the hidden chambers. In 2017, the Scan Pyramids project used muon radiography, essentially a cosmic ray scanner, to peer inside the Great Pyramid without drilling. They discovered a previously unknown void above the Grand Gallery. What's in it? We don't know yet. Could be an engineering feature or something more tantalizing, like a sealed chamber untouched for millennia. Imagine a room sealed since the age of Khufu, holding artifacts that could rewrite history. The idea alone is enough to send chills down your spine. The emotional anchor, human connection. When we strip away the theories, the myths, and the mystery, we're left with this. The pyramids are a testament to human ambition. Imagine the workers, farmers during the Nile's flood season, who gave years of their lives to haul these massive stones. The architects who dreamed in mathematics, and the priests who infused the project with spiritual purpose. They all lived, breathed, laughed, feared, and hoped, just like us. Reflection. What they leave behind. The pyramids are more than stone. They are a message from the past. We were here, we dreamed big, and we left our mark for the future. As you stand before them, in person or in your imagination, you can almost hear the whispers of 4,500 years of history carried on the desert wind. This has been Science Decoder, where we explore the hidden stories behind history's greatest mysteries. If today's journey into the heart of the pyramids made you think, wonder, or dream, make sure to subscribe so we can keep unlocking the secrets of our world together. Until next time, keep asking questions and never stop decoding the world around you.